On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get wireless CarPlay and Android Auto on your vehicle that didn't come with wireless AA and ACP. So stick around. So today we will be unboxing and testing the wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay adapter by AutoABC. First thing you will note is the small and compact size of the adapter. Here it is right out of the box. It features a rotatable USB port, so you can configure it in any direction in your vehicle. So if your port sits like this, you can plug it in like that. We'll note the compact size here. It's only about 2 inches across by about 7/8 inch wide. It comes with a USB-A plug-in, but if your car has a USB-C, it comes with this adapter. And it also features, we'll be showing you this later, a light ring around the adapter. For comparison, here is a competitor whose name I've blacked off the box, but compare the size here. This one does not have a built-in port. It has this long cable, so as you can see, this is gonna blend right in with your car's dashboard real easily. Let's take a look again at the USB port. It can be rotated 360 degrees in 90-degree increments. So this can literally be in your dash in any position. And the light, which I will show in a second when it's plugged in the car, you can change that via your phone. AutoABC also includes a instruction manual, very detailed instruction manual telling you how to pair this with your car, which it is very straightforward. We'll demonstrate that in the car. And to reiterate, this is for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, so now we're in the car. Here's the AutoABC Android Auto Apple CarPlay adapter. You see, we'll compare the size to the radio here. Let's compare it to the other who will not be named module, how big and clunky this thing is. This flops around. I mean, where this one is nice and tidy, here's my USB port, and it just plugs in. Branding might be upside down here, but we could turn it like that to access the aux port. And now here we go. This is my screen here. I need to go on my phone, and it's asking me to pair request. We'll just pair and connect. Okay, here on the phone it says auto box. See that? We'll just pair. Waiting for the phone to pair. There we go. We'll say pair. And now it says we're connected. And And there is my, we're gonna go to and our YouTube music, and we're gonna go as you can see, no wires. And now we'll see all my Android apps are working. We'll play some game snacks here. You can see all my apps are working. We can make phone calls. We skip tracks. Now I'll show you how to change the color on the adapter or turn the light off. Alright, so we're driving around with the AutoABC in place. She's working flawlessly. Let's have one last little look at this.
Currently in Hennepin County it's -8 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecasted high of -7 and a low of -20.
So my final verdict on the AutoABC. It's nice and compact. It works great. Phone, you pair it once and it boots right up to it. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for your vehicle that did not come with wireless AA and ACP. I give it a big thumbs up. Why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. Comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.